cold. I don't know. I wish I had an Apple Watch on to tell you how cold it was. My lips are chapped. Well, you guys missed a lot of what happened here. I was deathly ill. Deathly ill. I put shit. Hold on. Dude, where is my... I hate layers so much, man. I feel like literally the Michelin Man. I have like 40 different things on. I feel gigantor. Listen, so we missed a lot of footage. I was like in my bed for like 4 days in a row. I was dying. Being a little baby. Yeah. Comment below. Whatever. Well, today we're pouring concrete. It's like 30 something degrees. Pretty cold out. This road's gonna be done after today we're done. Oh, you yelling at me already, George? George is already yelling at me. Come on, George. Truck's yelling at me, so we gotta go do that.
I think it's his first time. Truck number 2.
I think the boys poured it a little too high over here. They gotta skim some off. About an inch high.
Alright, so we give an update for the series and what's going on. Basically, we're making a series called The Great Gold. I saw that first video, it's pretty cool. You guys get some good feedback. We know you need a different lens, audio, and a few other things of the process. It should be pretty sweet by the time we figure everything out. So, today, like I said earlier, you saw we're just pouring concrete, not too much. We're finishing the road up. It's the winter. You know, it snowed last week like 9 inches. Couldn't work for like a week and a half. So now catching back up. We got the blankets down. There's a couple more patches and we're done for the year. So you'll see a lot of shot stuff. But there won't be any more pouring concrete or anything. So yeah, it's cold, man. Freezing.
Looking forward to spring.
Looking forward to spring. Yeah, I was bitching about the heat and now I'm like, alright, bring it back. Just stay tuned, man. I'm not too sure what we can bring in the winter. It won't be much concrete, but working on machines, buying, selling trucks, a bunch of random crap. So stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and comment, thumbs up, all that jazz. Hit the notification bell as well. Also follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. And you got the leaves.
Yeah, this random hole in the fence. Please don't have a big ass dog in there. Build out that curb, boy. Sal the man. Uh-oh.
Good morning. Almost done.
All right, we're getting there. You're going to Disney World.
We're all going to Disney World. No
Man, nothing like deer. That sucks.
It's a nice buck too. We might have a question on what these things are on the ground here. These are what we call blankets. We're gonna allow the concrete to stay nice and warm, not freeze on us. You want to protect the concrete from freezing, even though it has an accelerator in it. The accelerator is not going to be enough if the air temperatures freeze on us. So what it does is it lets basically keeps the concrete from freezing. It's an insulated blanket. The concrete generates enough heat on its own to cure itself out, but if it gets below freezing, then the curing process stops and your concrete won't have the strength in it. So our objective is just to keep it nice and warm and keep it from freezing. And once in a while you do find someone living underneath them. We do make nice homeless shelters.
He's gonna shoot me in the foot, I promise you. I do it to him way too much.
On camera, I'll show you something. It's hydrating, so the water's coming out of the concrete. See that? So the water's coming out of the concrete. That's what you want it to do. You want it to come out now free.
He explains something a lot better than me.
Hell yeah.
I just swear a lot.
Hey, Frank's done. You're new now.
I'm fired?
This show's all about you.
Fired.
This guy's out of here.
I'm fired.
You're Hollywood now.
Hollywood! Hollywood! What about it? What? You cracked my hand?
Alright, so we poured all the concrete. Well, actually, as I left, they were finishing it. The other side of the road needs to be saw cut so it doesn't crack. So we're gonna do it right now before it's freezing again and snowing. We're gonna try to get everything saw cut. We'll see how it goes. Get the saw out, rip it up. It's cold. The cold water right hand should be great. Get a phone call.
Today, Junior. What are you doing?
I'm playing.
You're what?
Playing.
Playing?
Yeah.
Playing what?
Huh?
Playing yourself?
No, I'm doing it for fun.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm filming, bro.
Filming you selling. Crazy.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened here?
I lost my lunchbox.
No. You think someone stole it?
Yeah.
Damn.
I gotta find it.
What'd you have for lunch?
Nothing.
Yeah. No, what did you have?
Oh, nothing. Had only a couple bottled waters. And
I thought it was a pizza.
No, it was not pizza.
Uh,
I'm just,
PB&J?
Yeah, it was homemade pizza. It was homemade pizza.
lasagna too? Spaghetti.
Paisa forno.
Yeah, alright.
You know what it is, paisa forno?
No, what is that, a cheese?
I will show you when you.
Sounds like a cheese.
No, it's pasta.
It's pasta. Alright, bet. I like pasta.
He likes it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I
It's
mean,
Sicilian pasta.
all Italians like pasta, right?
Yes.
Yeah, for sure. I like pasta. I'm Irish.
Irish. He's the red man.
I'm Irish and Canadian. No, I've never had pasta. You're right.
No?
I don't even know what it's like.
No. You had it just a fake pasta.
It's just fake.
Yeah.
Pad Thai curry, bro. You look like you could go either way. Indian food or Indian food or
I'm Indian,
Italian.
yeah, I eat everything.
He said you are Indian.
I'm Indian.
No, I said you look
Yeah,
like you could.
namaste.
I look like namaste.
I'm drinking tea like Indian people.
Ah, that's cute.
Yeah. It's an Indian tea. Yeah.
Oh, that's what you're drinking?
Yeah.
No wonder why.
Yeah.
You nuts.
He said, oh, I want to do yellow. I said, you want crack? Why? It makes you nice and happy in there. I said, you're not doing bright yellow. You're doing yellow, man.
I'm fine. I don't like it. Go to work. Go on.
What are you saying? Metta foco.
Metti a fuoco.
Metta foco.
No, c'est fuoco.
Yeah.
Fuoco, what is Chinese? What the hell? What's going on?
We're going to cut concrete.
It's old style Italian market over here. Manella's, dog.
Ganella, dog.
I'm gonna get smacked by a truck.
This place looks legit.
I've
It's like
never even, dude,
old
I'm like, I don't want to do it. I'll probably ask him.
this place smells legit.
Well, hopefully I get some business from you guys.
I will.
I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.
I like showing off the nice subs and everything. So, you know.
I appreciate
It's
that.
a nice Detroit original.
Thanks. This was over 75 years, man.
Yeah. So, thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
We got a little bit of leakage coming out. Oh, what'd you do, Frankie? What happened?
Cold. All I can say is cold. Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. Never mind. Oh, it's a flat tire.
Why is there so much water coming out of the trailer?
Don't talk about it. We just dropped that review. It's probably what? It's probably 2 weeks after, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, boys. Check the review as you can see it. Link in the description below. We got a flat tire, so we're gonna limp it out of here and go saw cut. I can't even think. You know why?
So where are we at
I
right
had to
now?
pee really bad. Filled some water.
That's what's
Saw
up.
cut. You should eat water when you saw cut. Now. Saw cut. Yeah. We're done for the day. I got some saw cutting done. I had some minor issues. I was gonna green cut this, and then I realized that measurements are off kind of, and no one's here really. I don't really know what they want. The inspector wants. So saw cutting is something you really don't want to mess up. I don't feel like really messing it up. It's not gonna kill it if I come back tomorrow and do it. So that's what I'm doing. We're left already, so it's the thing. It's kind of annoying. I got all set up. I got one piece cut, and then it's how it rolls sometimes. Realistically, I know what I have to cut, but I want to double check it. No one's answering their phones. I don't feel like messing it up because I'm not getting my ass chewed out and rubber balls. I can cut it 2 feet off. You know what I mean? So I probably will take the blanket off that tomorrow as well and cut that. But yeah, today we basically poured a little bit of concrete, did some saw cutting. It's a very easy, simple day. It's the end of the year. This is like the slowest I've ever worked. Same with their guys too. This is a real slow time to work. What can you do? Really? It's not much. You know, this is the last week these guys are gonna work pretty much. Everyone's gonna get laid off. It's the winter time. They're gonna go plow snow. They're gonna get unemployment. Whatever they gotta do to make their money, they're gonna do it. They're not gonna work with us because we don't do crap in the winter. So, being honest, right? So stay tuned for the next couple videos. This should be episode 3, Grey Gold. This one probably isn't the most exciting, but hey, every episode will be different. Some of them will be hilarious, some aren't going to be. Stay tuned, you won't know unless you watch them. So we're going to get some more reviews out there for the machines, and we're going to do some truck stuff for these in here. The 7.3 is getting a whole 6.0 front end swap on it, so stay tuned for that. Not even truck guys are missing some videos. So I might go pick up a Duramax, by the way. My little sneak peek for you guys. I might get a Duramax for those Chevy guys, and the 4 guys are going to be pissed, but I never own a Chevy, so yeah. We have merch dropping soon. If you're interested in merch, drop a comment. Like, we were thinking of doing a package deal, doing a sweatshirt, hoodie, and a sticker, quality stuff, and you get. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.